Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released iOS 11.4 Developer Beta 5. This came in at a very large 2.19 gigabytes, and I think that's due to this being closer to the Gold Master, or the general release. Now, if we take a look at the build number, you'll see it's 15F5077A, and A usually means we're very close to the final. However, they didn't remove the feedback app, so I don't think this is the Gold Master at this point. Now, this particular beta, everything does feel fast and fluid, and I wasn't able to find anything specifically new. However, in messages, this little symbol here, if you did this, it would crash someone's iMessage. This is fixed. I don't know if it was fixed in the previous betas, to be honest, since I didn't try it out, but I did try it out in this one, and it didn't crash iMessage, and it seems to be working okay. So I don't think it's going to be a problem in 11.4. Whether or not they come out with an 11.3.2 to fix it, though, is hard to say. Now, everything seems fast and fluid. Scrolling is fast, 3D touch is fast, and I haven't found any bugs. Opening the camera is quick. Some people were having issues with rotating the camera from portrait to landscape. No issues there, and it seems to be okay. Now, battery life is going to be hard to say since I'm at 60% now. I've been using it all day, and it's going to take a few days to know if this is going to be good battery life or not, so I'll be doing a follow-up as far as that goes. Now, I did run a Geekbench on this. You'll see for the single core, I got 4,212, and the multi-core was 10,126. If we compare that to the previous ones, which is here, I ran this twice. I let it cool down and ran it again. So we're right about the same. We're basically getting the same scores, and I think that's what we'll see all along until the next iPhone comes out at this point. Now, that's pretty much it. This is bug fixes, maybe some security updates like I showed you in messages here in the background. Nothing else seems to be noticeable, at least that I've found in here. I haven't found any new wallpapers or anything like that, so I think the Gold Master might be in another week or so, and then we'll have the final release either here or around WWDC in June. So that's it for this beta. Not a whole lot new going on like I would expect. We're going to see more with iOS 12. If you'd like to get your hands on the wallpaper, I'll leave it in the description below like I always do. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.